Hey, Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today we have the Arqspin product photography turntable. You may have seen like some of these really cool 360 videos of products like on Amazon, some other sites. It could be like jewelry, sunglasses, and there's also ones that are interactive. You can watch the video spin and you can click it and you can actually move it and see all the different angles. So we actually have a few different products from Arqspin, a few different size turntables. This one I believe is the 8-inch model. So we're gonna go ahead and let's take a look and see what's in the box. And of course you can always check back in and see the review and the demo of it later on, but right now we're gonna open it up and take a look. Very, very cool. I actually tried my own do-it-yourself. That was not a good idea. So we got a power cord right here. The do-it-yourself was like a Lazy Susan table. It did not come out good at all. This is motorized, so you set up the camera, you can use their app. If you want with your phone or a DSLR, you can upload to their site to make it interactive. They charge $19.95 or $19.99 a month, and it has a watermark, but you can upload unlimited, I believe. And then they have a few different tiers where you can get it where there's no watermark. Really, really cool. So that's the product turntable. This is great. You can go ahead, you can throw it right into one of those light boxes and you can get those seamless backgrounds. So in the box, we plug that in. This one just has a basic on-off. So that is the Arqspin product turntable. Really, really cool. So there's also a little fuse spot on the bottom. If you blow out the fuse, you can always replace it. And there you have it. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.